Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I'm here to show you some things I got from PaintSomeWay. Thank you PaintSomeWay for sending me things to show everybody. This is take 2 of this video. You ever had those days when things just don't go right? I was trying to zoom in and it didn't zoom in. I hit the power button and quit recording. Anyhow, let's try this again, okay? Yes, let's try it again. All right, so first of all, let me show you my boo-boo. Here's my boo-boo. You guys will recognize this. I've ordered this before from some other company. I have 2 now, yes. So I must have really liked the April. I really liked the butterfly and the colors of it, so I ordered it twice apparently. Trying not to do that. I don't do it very often, but every once in a while. So now I have a list. I've written them down and I know which ones I still need. I'm on track now, okay? No more duplicates, but somebody will get this one in a giveaway. I'll put it in the giveaway box. And here's how the drills come packaged. There's a lot of the white, lots of pinks, purpley colors, and blue. A little bit of brown, because we have, I don't know, whatever that liquid is in there. Coffee, tea, I don't know. So anyhow, there's the April. They call them dessert cups. Most of the companies will call them dessert cups. You can find them that way. I'll link this one below though, so you can find it. All right, so there's that. This one looks pretty interesting. Now, I have gotten one similar to this, but not this one. And if you look at these, look at the size of those circles. I think these are all going to be larger, not small little rhinestones, right? There's 12 different colors, and they're all just round. Every single one. That's the whole thing is just round gems. So let's look at them and let's see what we got. All right. Let's try not to hit the power button this time and turn the whole thing off. Oh, some days are just not made for filming. You know what I mean? Okay, well, let's flip them over. They're always easier to see from the back. So look at the size of those. They are not your regular rhinestones. They are bigger. Love it. Faceted pinks. Those are just regular black. We have some clear. We have some gold. Oh, these are beautiful. I love these iridescent purple ones. Look at that pink though. Woo, and the purple next to it. Okay, you're calling my name, right? And then let's throw in a beautiful blue, a few greens. Oh, and then we get to the end and these are smooth. These are not faceted, they're the smooth ones. All larger gems for that. That will be fun to do. Whip that puppy up for smashing the specials, right? And get that one. Yeah, that's gonna be cool. I like it. It's really pliable canvas too. All right, this next one, I'm super excited to show you this. I've seen a few people, how do I open it? I've seen a few people who have got one of these, but my kit comes with several. A toolkit. They are coasters. Look, I have a stack and they're on wood. I love that things are being made on wood. I've gotten several products lately that you diamond paint something that's on wood, and I love it. So look at these, aren't they cool? Love it. Look at that one. Just love these. I have one. I have this one. That one's pretty nifty. I like that one. That's 2. There's this one. Love it. That's 3. How many do I have? Look at the ones with the blues. That'll be pretty. 4. And then how about another one? 5. There are 5 wooden coasters in this set. Isn't that nifty? I love that. Love that. All right, let's look at the drills. Let's see what we get for drills. Make sure I'm still recording. It's like, are you kidding? Are you kidding? All right, here we go. Let's look at what we have. Let's look at rhinestones first. Now, they all are marked on the bags, like this is 8. So you're gonna look here and you're gonna find your 8s, or A, H, okay? So let's look and see what we have. Gold, clear, orange, red, a couple of blues, a lime green color. Is that it for the rhinestones? We have this really pretty light blue, faceted, that's gorgeous. We have some little slivers in red. We have a few in gold. We have some marquee clear with the AB coating. These are pretty. I like those. A couple of red teardrops. Love this. Some more marquee. Oh look, this bag has like 8 or 6 little tiny blue ones. I hope that's enough. Oh, and look at the symbol. These actually have symbols. Look, we got arrows, stars, a triangle, whatever that is. Huh, interesting. Then we're back to letters. W. We got some more slivers, but they're the oval type slivers. I'll show you a difference here in a second. Blue. Okay, here are the slivers that we're used to, where they're pointy at the one end. Can you see that? The point at the one end. And these are rounded at both ends. They're a little different. But these will be so cool to do. I like them. I like them a lot. All right. So, recording successful this time. Yes, we made it all the way through. We didn't turn off the power and turn off the video. Some days, you know, some days things happen. And this was one of those days. Anyhow, started my day out by getting stuck in the chicken coop pen because Chuck was coming after me and I ran in there. Oh, yep, it was one of those days. Okay, I'm done recording now. I'm going to Walmart. I'm going to go do something that's just... All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button and subscribe if you're new here. You never know what I'm going to come up with, what my antics will get me into next. So I hope you come back to see more. All right. And thank you, PaintSomeWay, for sending these so that I can show everybody. Love the coasters. Fun, fun, fun. All right. See you later, everybody. I'm out. Bye.